video, I'm gonna teach you 5 ways or 5 different means on how you can earn at least 50,000 pesos a month just online or staying at home. So if you're interested about that, continue watching. Hi inspired people, welcome to the Kim Show. So this channel is dedicated to everything about entrepreneurship, finance, and personal development. So if you're someone who's wanting to start a business, invest in the stock market, or develop a part of yourself, then this is the right channel for you. So for the past years, I've been very obsessed with everything business related, finance, and personal development or motivation. And so I consume a lot of courses, enroll to different classes, read a lot of books, and watch a lot of YouTube videos about it. So in this channel, I want to actually share what I've learned along the way and hope to inspire people as well, you inspire people to be able to achieve your dreams and goals in life and to really overflow so that we can give more to others. As we earn more, we want to live more and we want to give more. So itong pandemic na to, it's a wake-up call for everyone, for each and everyone, that we feel kasi the job is the #1 secured income in the world. But then the pandemic made us realize that it's not a very secure job or a source of income. Actually, according to news, in the Philippines, around 40% are laid off during the entire pandemic. And so, it's very important if we, sabi nga nila, diversify natin yung eggs natin. We're not putting our eggs in one basket. So we want to create as much stream of income as possible so that meron tayong laid back or meron tayong alternatives when things go wrong. In this video, I want to inspire you to start with your side hustles or a side gig or a side income, and I'm gonna teach you 5 ways or 5 different means on how you can earn at least 50,000 pesos a month just online or staying at home. So number 1 is freelancing. So freelancing is offering your services to other businesses or other individuals who need your skills that you have. For example, ayan, iaano ko yung example ng idol ko sa freelancing space, si John Pagulayan, if you know him. According to him, for example, merong isang karpintero. So may mga karpintero na part ng agency, may mga karpintero naman na hindi sila part ng agency. So kung kailangan ko na magre-repair, magkakarpintero ng bahay ko at hinire ko yung isa sa karpintero na nirefer sa akin ng friend ko, kunyari, so direct hire ko siya. I mean, direct hire para dun sa service na ibibigay niya sa akin. And he's a freelance carpenter. Hindi siya under ng isang agency or under ng isang company. So tayo, when we are employed, we are doing services for the company, pero yung company, may mga clients siya. So yung mga clients na yun yung, kumbaga mga businesses or mga consumers na siniserve niya, yun yung direct client ng company. Pero we are under the company providing services. Freelance, on the other hand, are self-employed people. So they directly offer the service and skill to the businesses or the person who needs it. Okay, so magkano ba ang kitaan sa freelancing or offering your services to business or to people who need it? So basically, you can earn as much as 50,000. I mean, for the least 50,000 to 200,000 per month or even beyond. So I'm gonna give examples on people are earning. These are examples of people who are giving their testimony that they're actually earning at least 50,000 pesos in freelancing. As you can see, there's $2,500, 150,000 pesos, $100,000, a 7-figure client, a 10K project on Instagram, and for this one, you can see that he's earning for just August $16,000. So may mga skills, like for example, you're going to do social media marketing. If you want to be a premium virtual assistant for different businesses, for e-commerce businesses, for Amazon businesses, a web developer, if you want to be a copywriter, if you are an accountant or a bookkeeper, a YouTube or Pinterest or Google marketing guru, or specialist. So there's actually vast skills that you can choose from and offer it to people or to businesses who needs it. So how do we start a freelance business? Number one is you choose a market. So who are the market that you want to serve? So basically they should have a specific challenge or pain that you want to solve it for them through your skill, and that's where you're going to build the skill that you want to solve for that market's pain or challenges. So if you want to know more about freelancing, I encourage you to join the Freelance Movement Workshop in Facebook. It's a Facebook group about freelancing, everything about freelancing. So really, there's a lot of free resources there, and if you want to, join this movement, because it's actually the future, the gig economy, which is according to I've read an article na sabi parang around nag-i-increase na talaga yung gig economy or yung mga freelancing, especially in the States, and we are actually following that kind of trend, and in the future probably there's more freelancers than employed people, so we never know, but it's a good way to start a side income or start building a business by offering what you're good at what your skills are. So if you want to know more about freelancing, join the Freelance Movement Workshop in Facebook. Number 2, Amazon FBA. So what is Amazon FBA? If you know, Amazon is one of the richest companies in the world already, especially with the pandemic. The stocks actually grew so much, and they're one of the very profitable businesses in the whole wide world, especially now during the pandemic. So basically, what is Amazon FBA? Amazon is an e-commerce, and it's present in different countries such as the United States, in Europe, in Japan, and some parts of Asia, but we don't have it in the Philippines yet, but we can sell in Amazon. So what is Amazon FBA? Basically, this is more of a private labeling. When we say private label, you are sourcing one product from a manufacturer, and then you put your brand or your trademark on it. So for example, you're gonna source a particular product from Alibaba in China, and then you put a brand on it, your own packaging, your customized logo, and then you send it to a warehouse of Amazon. You put your product listing and sell it to people. So what's good on Amazon is a lot of people trust the brand already, and when they go to Amazon.com, the intent is really to buy. In US alone, Amazon actually has 280.5 billion net sales back in 2019, and it's expected to, there's a big increase now in 2020 because of the current situation where people cannot go out to buy, and so they go to online sites to buy what they really need or what they want. So magkano bang kitaan sa isang Amazon FBA business, where you put up your store or mini warehouse mo, yung product mo from China, put your own brand and go and send it to an Amazon warehouse and sell it to people? Magkano nga ba? Normally, kikita ka talaga ng at least 50,000 if you find a winning product and if you do it right. And a lot of people are nagiging milyonaryo, $1 million actually, sa Amazon. So kahit nasa Philippines tayo, pwede tayo mag-sell or magbenta sa Amazon US or Amazon France or Amazon Europe or Amazon China. Kasi isi-send lang naman natin yung mga product natin dun sa warehouse nila. Ano ba mag-start ng isang Amazon business? Kailangan lang natin mag-register sa Amazon.com as Amazon Seller Central as an Amazon third-party seller. We call it third-party seller because we are actually selling on their platform. Ngayon, yun yung first step, and then we find our winning product, at nang sa gayon ay isosource natin siya from China, lalagyan natin ang logo at isi-send natin sa Amazon warehouse. So ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo ng mga patunay na maraming mga kumikita sa area na to. At even me, I actually started an Amazon business. Okay, so third one is dropshipping. Bale, dropshipping is also an e-commerce style of business, pero ang difference niya with an Amazon FBA na kung saan nagsusource ka ng product at sinisend mo sa Amazon warehouse, ang dropshipping, wala kang hawak or wala kang anything na product na binili. So dropshipping, ikaw ay middleman. Merong manufacturer, merong client na kung saan ikaw ay nagma-market, at pag may bumili, sasabihin mo lang, ipapurchase mo lang yun kay manufacturer at isi-send yun ni manufacturer kay client or kay buyer, at yung profit nun o yung difference ay kita mo. Sa Philippines, marami na nag-start ng dropshipping business dahil nga sa pandemic, bumongga ang gantong klase ng business. So magpapakita ko ng mga earnings ng iba't ibang mga tao upang patunay na malaki din ang kinikita sa space na to. Pwede kang kumita ng 50,000 to 1 million pesos sa dropshipping. Basta, tama mo lang siyang magagawa or step by step mo magagawa. So, paano nga ba tayo magsa-start ng isang dropshipping business? Number one, normally, maghahanap tayo ng isang site na pwedeng mag-host ng ating store. Kung familiar sa inyo, like for example, Shopify, pwede rin sa WooCommerce, at iba pang, or Facebook Marketplace. Ngayon, maghahanap tayo ng isang winning product. So, may mga characteristics of the winning product. At yun, ay hahanapan natin ng manufacturer. I-market natin itong product na to. At pag may bumili sa pag-market natin, via Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, or any ads that we have, or influencer marketing through Instagram, then babayaran natin yung product na yun sa manufacturer. At si manufacturer, directly niya isi-ship yun kay client. At yung difference nun ay sa atin. So, kung gusto niyo malaman or if you wanna know more about dropshipping, join niyo yung Facebook group na kung saan nakakuha ko ng maraming idea on starting a local dropshipping business. Ito ay
Philippines e-commerce and dropshipping community. There, see, nakikita nyo dito, nagbibigay sila ng tips and earnings. See, 585,112. 422,000, 2 weeks gross, and then ad spend, and then you can see everything. Testimonials, tips, you can ask questions.
Number 4 is YouTube. So YouTube, for me, siguro yung iba mag-contest, but for me, it's like a passive income. Kasi, pwede kang mag-earn kahit sa mga past videos mo pa. Though with YouTube, most of the time, it takes a lot of time or a long time to be able to earn money kasi you need to post a lot of videos and then grow your subscribers or your viewers so that you can monetize your channel. But then at the end, I feel it's worth it because especially if you're doing what you love.
Actually, when we are trying to find how much YouTubers are making, we can go to socialblade.com. Okay, so for example, we will put Jamil. So this is usually an estimate. Ayan, select channel. Okay, so yan. So makikita natin na ang estimated monthly earnings nila, ayan, nasa euro siya, pwede nyo ibahin yung, I think pwede nyo ibahin yung currency. For example, nasa median yung normally estimated monthly earnings nila. So, kung yung median dyan, almost nasa, sabihin natin, 60,000 euros or 60,000, $55,000, I don't know. Pero, yung median mo, yun yung normal na monthly earnings nila. Let's try Alex Gonzaga. Okay. So, nasa median din, nasa around 50K, 56K, mga ganon siguro. Yan.
Normally, kumikita sa YouTube because of the ads shown on your channel and then how many viewers you have on that specific video. So, nagbabayad yung ads, kalahati kay YouTube, kalahati sa'yo. Second is with sponsorship. So, dahil nga may ilang ka ng following, kung ano yung niche mo, may mag-i-sponsor sa'yo na specific business to promote their products. And, minsan, meron ka pang commission from the sales. So, how do you start a YouTube channel? So, first, for me, is to be able to think of your interest or your passion, whatever topic you wanna talk about, and then create content based on that. More on value-based so that your viewers or people like you will love this kind of topic, will really be enticed in what you have to say. And then your source of information for them. If it's a channel which is more on education or informative, or if it's more of a daily vlog where you entertain people. Number 5 is affiliate marketing. But affiliate marketing is that nagkakaroon ka ng commission when you are promote other people's products or services. You just go to this site, it's called ClickBank.
And then from here, makakita ka ng iba't ibang mga links na kung saan ay ma-advertise mo. And then you get a commission when you sell.
Those are actually the 5 income streams which I feel that we can earn more than actually 50,000 per month just doing it on the side. Disclaimer lang, ito yung mga means or yung mga income streams na napili ko because this is what I have most experience with, and I myself earned from this kind of income streams, and also I see a lot of people in my network earning a lot of money from this. So ano pang nakakapagpigil sa'yo para mag-start ng side income or business? Pwedeng takot, pwedeng afraid of risk involved, wala kang time, or lack of motivation. Para sa akin, if you really want to do something, then deep dive on your why. Bakit ko ba to gusto? Bakit ko ba to gustong gawin? Ano ba yung magiging consequences if I succeed on it? And then you just start on it. Do not overthink, do not overanalyze. Just know how it is done, how you can start, and how you can grow from it. And then just go for it, you know. After all, the secret of getting ahead is getting started. So hope I inspire you guys to start your side income or your business. And comment down below what's your favorite among the 5 and what you feel is the most lucrative, especially now in this days, and you know, that can offer you vast opportunity in the future. And let me know what you think about this video. If you feel that this helped you and give you an idea on how you can earn from the side or start a business, please do subscribe on my channel for more videos like this, more inspirational, more information giving type of video on business, finance, and personal development. And thank you guys for watching, for tuning in, and I'll see you on my next one. Peace.